We're troubleshooting why your Laravel application isn't sending emails and isn't providing any error messages. This is a common problem, often stemming from misconfigurations or overlooked details. Let's tackle this systematically. 1. Check your environment. Laravel uses different mail configurations depending on your environment: local, testing, production. Ensure your write single quote.env write. Single quote file has the correct mail driver set: mail_driver =SMTP, mail_driver =mail, or others. Verify that the necessary settings like mail_host, mail_port, mail_username, mail_password, and mail_encryption are accurately filled with your email provider's credentials, Gmail, Mailgun, SendGrid, etc. Incorrect credentials are a frequent culprit. 2. Enable debugging. Laravel's default error handling might be masking the issue. Temporarily increase the logging level in your write single quote config/app.php write single quote file by setting debug =true. This will reveal more detailed error messages in your storage logs directory, usually write single quote storage/log/laravel.log. Inspect this log file carefully for any clues about what's going wrong. 3. Test your mail configuration. Laravel provides a handy artisan command to test email configurations: php artisan q work, q =mail. This will attempt to send a test email. If it fails, the console will likely display an error, guiding you towards the solution. If it succeeds, the problem might lie elsewhere, potentially in your email sending logic. 4. Examine your code. Review your code where emails are sent, paying close attention to the mail to method and its arguments. Ensure that you are providing valid email addresses. Common mistakes include typos or missing email addresses in the to array. Also check your email templates for any errors. Even a simple syntax error within a Blade template can prevent emails from being sent without throwing a noticeable exception. 5. Check outgoing mail settings on your server. If you're using a server-based email setup, ensure your server's firewall isn't blocking outgoing connections on the port specified by your mail configuration, often port 25, 465, or 587. Additionally, some servers may have restrictions on sending emails. Check with your hosting provider to ensure there are no limitations on outgoing SMTP traffic. 6. Queue processing. Laravel often uses queues to handle email sending asynchronously. If your queue isn't working correctly, your emails won't send. Make sure your queue workers are running. PHP artisan queue work. If you're using a queue driver like Redis or databases, ensure it's properly configured and running. 7. Check your email provider's settings. If you're using Gmail or other providers, check their settings to make sure they allow third-party apps to access your account and send emails. These often require enabling less secure app access, not recommended for security, or generating an app password. 8. Restart your services. Sometimes a simple restart of your application server, database server, or even your entire machine can resolve transient issues. By following these steps, you should be able to pinpoint the exact cause of the problem and get your Laravel application sending emails again. Remember to always consult Laravel's official documentation for the most up-to-date and accurate information on email configuration and troubleshooting.